Today's video is focused on popaholics. Are you a popaholic? Let's look at some awesome pops while we discuss. I'm Watson, and we're going to discuss why people are ashamed of their love for pimple popping. Since we started posting videos online over 20 years ago, we've noticed one thing about our fans. They love pimple popping. They love cysts like this. Whiteheads like this. Blackheads like this. And even the occasional fatty tumor being popped out. But people have historically been afraid to share their secret popping obsession. Men and women since the dawn of time have enjoyed popping pimples and zits. It probably goes back to the caveman, possibly apes. But it's been a dirty little secret. We cover up our pimple popping obsession just like we cover up our pimples. So tell the truth and leave a comment below. Are you a secret popper? Are you afraid to share a big cyst video on your Facebook feed for fear of what people will say? And why are you afraid of that? What makes you not want to share that you love the calming and relaxing art of pimple popping with your friends? Experts like Dr. Sandra Lee and her TV show on TLC have made popping a mainstream activity. And they've made it more socially acceptable. Are you ready to come out of the medical closet and declare your love for her? Click like if you're a Dr. Pimple Popper fan, and share your opinions of her with a comment below. Alright folks, this is your last chance. Are you a real popaholic? Then click that subscribe button and the notification bell for all our updates.
Holy shit.
For months now, I've had trouble sleeping. I wake up every few hours. I get up early in the morning. I'm exhausted for the rest of the day. I didn't know what to do about it, so I tried some Rest More. And just after a couple weeks, I'm finding myself sleeping all through the night, waking up fresh, rested in the mornings. I highly recommend this for anyone who has trouble sleeping, especially if you're a senior citizen like I am.
Rest More is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get Rest More. Now available on Amazon. Good night.